my dudes, it's Demi, and I have a huge announcement. I'm going on the Disney Wish, and I'm going on its second sailing. This is Disney's newest cruise line in over 10 years. I saved up all of my money to be able to do this, and I'm so excited. I'm going to bring you all along with me, and of course, as always, give you my honest opinions on everything and all of my helpful tips along the way. I am so excited. This is my first Disney cruise. I can't wait. I actually am filming this on the day of its christening, and that ship looks beautiful. I am so excited. This is only my second cruise ever. I did a cruise 10 years ago on a very different cruise line. We will not name it. And it wasn't the best experience, so I cannot wait to experience a Disney cruise. I'm going to be doing so many different types of videos. So here is what to expect from me. I'm going to be doing a full tour of the ship. I'm also going to be covering all of the rotational dining restaurants, which is 1923, which is the Walt Disney inspired restaurant. I'm going to be covering the Frozen dining experience with the Frozen show restaurant, and the Marvel rotational dining with the Ant-Man and the Wasp restaurant, I can't believe these are rotational dining restaurants. These sound amazing. And which I am so excited about, because it is very hard to book things. If you don't know this, it's very hard to book things for cruises if you've never sailed before, because people who have sailed before have priority of booking things. But I was able to actually book an additional dining, an adult-only dining that is for extra purchase, and I was able to book Palo Steak, which is a brand new restaurant. You may have heard of Palo on the Disney Dream or Fantasy. That's an Italian restaurant, and this is the steak. I was trying to book the other restaurant, the other new restaurant, which is called Enchanté, which is a French restaurant, but no luck, unfortunately. They also have the brunch at Enchanté, and no luck there as well. It was super hard, but I'm gonna try on board once I get on board, but fingers crossed for me. If I can get it, I hope I can, so I can be able to cover it for everyone here. But, we will do our best. But at least I was able to get us Palo Steak, and I can't wait to be able to cover all of that for you. Plus, on top of it, I am super excited. And what I think I'm super excited most about is the Star Wars Hyperspace Lounge, which is a bar lounge that changes different scenes of different planets from Star Wars. And it's like super immersive. That looks so cool. I can't wait for that. And of course, just work, as much as possible is what we can do. My itinerary is really awesome because my cruise is the first real cruise. I'm on the second sailing, which is a 4-night cruise. The maiden voyage is a special 5-night cruise, which is not normal. The Disney Wish only cruises 3 and 4 nights. So I will be able to give you a good representation of what a Disney cruise will look like. While of course on top of it, always giving you my honest opinions on the food and the experiences, and giving you all of the tips and tricks as much as possible. Because that's what you can always expect from me on this channel, is my complete honesty. Please, if you have any questions about the Wish or anything that you maybe would want covered, put them below. So here's my itinerary for the actual cruise. We embark in Port Canaveral around 3 o'clock on a Monday, and then we set sail. We have a day at sea on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we are in Nassau, Bahamas, but I will not be getting off, so that way I can do more things on the ship, like maybe cover the AquaMouse, which is the first attraction at sea. It's more than just a water slide. It's an attraction. I'm so excited. And just anything else I can do. I think I have a character meet and greet that day or something like that. There's one that you had book ahead of time. I'm gonna just cover as much as I possibly can to see if there's any games on board, whatever else I can find. And then Thursday is Castaway Cay, which is Disney's private island, which I am 100% getting off at. I cannot wait to explore Castaway Cay. I did not book any excursions because I didn't think that was really relevant or necessary for us, and I didn't really feel like doing any of them personally. My husband and I looked at them, we're just this seems like a lot of effort. I don't really feel like doing all of this work on vacation. They were all a lot of activities that felt like a lot of work, and then we're not relaxing, which if you're into that, absolutely, we were not. So we're gonna go to the adult section and we'll look at everything, but we're gonna get food and relax, and we'll show you everything there as well, and cover as much as possible as well. I'm so excited to see all the new shows on this Disney Wish. I mean, Disney Theatrical is so wonderful. As someone who works in theater, I just love most of everything they do. And I can't wait to see all these new shows. And then after Castaway Cay, we sail back to Port Canaveral, and that's it. And then we go home. We have breakfast and we leave. They kick us off and get ready for the next people. But I can't wait. Oh, so what's crazy is I actually had a cruise booked for June. And because this cruise was supposed to set sail for their maiden voyage in June. And then I got an email, and everybody who had a cruise in June got an email and said, hey, we're not going to be cruising in June. So they pushed their maiden voyage until July. And my heart stopped. And then I saw, but if you rebook before December 2023, we'll give you 50% off. And I couldn't believe it. 50% off a Disney cruise? And I couldn't believe it. I mean, I was so stressed that I don't know when I was going to be able to rebook, but I was luckily able to rebook the second sailing. I mean, it was unbelievable. And what I want you all to know is that I booked originally a 3-night cruise in the stateroom where you're in the middle of the ship, where you have no windows, where you just have screens pretending to be windows. And because I got 50% off, I was able to book a 4-night cruise with a veranda, which is a balcony, and it came out cheaper somehow. I don't know. Or maybe the same. But I was able to do that. And I am so eternally grateful, because this is I never thought I would ever, first of all, be on a Disney cruise, but to have a veranda, I kind of cried when this happened. So I'm very, very excited. You don't understand how excited I am. And there's so much happening before that on this channel. We have food and wine coming up. Oh my goodness. That's on, that video will be out in the morning on the 15th of July. So look out for that, because that's the first day is the 14th of July. Oh my gosh, so many things happening. There is just so much happening. If you didn't look at the video of the blackout in the Hilton Hotel at Disney Springs, please go check that out. If you have somebody, and it's just so good warning, if you know anybody who uses oxygen or a CPAP machine, this is just an extra little warning. Please let them know about that, because in the Reedy Creek area, they do scheduled maintenance power outages overnight. And if you use a CPAP or oxygen machine and your hotel forgets to inform you, or you do a mobile check-in, you may not know about it. And now that I know this, I'm just going to constantly keep telling everybody, because you need to have the right, stuff for your equipment. So if you know anybody who uses that, please let them know that could be a thing, and to ask the front desk before they check in. Sorry, totally inserting that into the middle of this Disney Wish video. But I just wanted to let everyone know that again. So if you have any questions, if you want, what you want to know, anything you Disney Wish related, or anything, of course, channel related, put it in the comments below. Happy to help as much as possible. And I'm so excited. I can't wait. My husband has come along with me. We're treating this we're doing this for the channel, but we're also going to treat it like a little mini break, because this is the first time we're going away since our honeymoon, which I'm really excited about, because it's been a while since we've been away again since our honeymoon. And after the last couple of years, we could use it. And on a side note, everyone give me all your positive vibes, because I have all the Dramamine and the nausea bands and the motion sickness patches. I have all of it. But still, give me all the good vibes. Give them to me. I don't know how well I will do. It's been a while. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to experience it all and share it all with you. And on a side note, I know I just reached 7,000 subscribers on here, and I am coming up on my 2-year face anniversary, which I call that because that's when I started putting my face on the channel. And I just wanted to say it's been the most incredible 2 years of my life, and I am just incredibly grateful to all of you who watch and comment and DM me and follow me on the socials, and just I absolutely am so grateful for everything, and I can't wait to just keep going and doing all these more wonderful videos for all of you. And I'm so thankful for all of you who watch and subscribe, and especially to my patrons. You guys are unbelievable. You are wonderful people. You know who you are. You're just such incredible humans, and I just absolutely just adore all of you. Speaking of patrons, I have a new perk on my Patreon. Please consider joining. It helps the channel. I fund everything for this channel to bring to you. Just like this Disney Wish cruise. The new perk is an incredible dining guide to Walt Disney World dining by Disney for Foodies. And it's a PDF. And what's amazing is, as long as you stay a patron, as that guide keeps getting updated, you will get an updated guide. And it's incredibly helpful. It has everything from quick services to restaurants to Disney, in Disney Springs, to all of the parks. And it's just super helpful. Between that and this channel, you are super covered with Disney. She's incredible, and the guide is wonderful. So please consider joining Patreon. Again, it will help the channel so immensely. It brings you all this information. And again, thank you all for watching and subscribing and everything. And again, and if you've ever sent me a message telling me that I have helped you, I want you to know that that means the world to me, because this channel is based on me wanting to start something to help people, because I hate it when people go somewhere and not know what to do. That's how this channel started, was when I went somewhere and I didn't know what to do, and I didn't like that, and I want to make sure everyone knows what to do. So that's why I strive to give you the best information possible, the best, the most honest opinions, and I really hope that comes through, because I really do try to give you as much, information, as I possibly can give you, as well as giving you fun and escapism along the way. And if you haven't, there's a lot of really great fun videos, because I know there's a lot of new friends here. There's a lot of great fun videos that maybe you haven't seen, and I recommend you maybe go checking some of those out, because they didn't get looked at when I think maybe they should. And I would take a gander at those, like some fun challenge videos and lots of, some snack videos, top 5 quick service videos. I absolutely love you all, and I'm so excited for the Wish. Lots to come before then, and make sure you're following me on all the socials, because you can really stay up to date on there at Magical Hijinx on Instagram and on TikTok. I'm on Facebook as well. But yeah, I'm excited. You guys are amazing. I will see you all soon. Bye-bye.